Oh, I had a choice during that time. Is it to march into that guy's office? See, I was just 21 years old during that time. I didn't have a formal company. I didn't have SEO hacker. It wasn't registered in DTI. I wasn't a businessman. I don't have a proposal. I don't have a formal website. Wala pa nga SEO hacker website nung time na yun. And I was just doing SEO as a freelance thing. And I marched into this guy's office. He owns Scuba World. It's the biggest scuba diving company during that time, and he has fleets of ships, right? So it's a pretty sizable company. And SEO was largely unheard of. This was 2010. And I thought, if I didn't do this, sayang naman yung pamasahe ko. I commuted all the way here. I paid for the jeep already, which was like 5, 6 pesos. I paid for the bus already. I paid for the tricycle already. It's in Yakal, Makati. I live in Paranaque. So you can imagine the commute is like 3 to 5 rides. And I march into this guy's office and I present what I had, and I had the God in You blog as a portfolio, and it was a Christian blog, and it wasn't big. I was just starting the blog during that time, and that was my portfolio. Nakakahiya. Nakakahiya kasi hindi, hindi man lang related sa business yung portfolio ko. It was about my faith as a single Christian guy. And I showed that it was ranking. I presented it to him, and he signed the deal. And it was my first $1,000 per month. And even that $1,000 a month, ni-research ko lang sa Google yun. I didn't know how much SEO cost during that time. So I was just really winging it, being scrappy, and having the guts to do what needs to be done. You know, as a startup entrepreneur, it's so important, not just even as a startup entrepreneur, but as a leader. It is so important for you to do what you must do, to have the courage to lead. Hope this helps and hope this is a good reminder to you today. Take care.